Hey guys, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba here to talk to you about the Campezi Portaflush 20 litre toilet. So first of all, it's like just like any standard toilet, you've got the toilet seat and also the lid over the top of it. Like in terms of flushing, you've got the bellows there, nice and easy to use. So I'm pretty sure this has been explained a million times on the internet, but let's go again. To do your business, undo the hatch, so that opens up the drop hatch inside. You can do your business. When you're done, you can flush it. The flush will actually come out the side there, go around the bowl, and clear up everything quite nicely. Then you can close it off. With this toilet here, it's also got the plastic clips on the side, so when you undo both sides, you can actually separate it, so then you can have the flush tank separate from the actual hold tank. So the 20 litre name actually comes from the hold tank capacity. 3 litres of that roughly is going to be fresh water with your chemical in there, so it can all break down into a nice fluid, so it's easy to dispose of. When it comes to disposing, on the back here, you've already got the hatch completely undone, so all you have to do is just pour it out. This is one of the basic models in our stores. We've got plenty of others that we'd like to discuss with you as well, so any questions at all about when it comes to portable toilet solutions, give us a call, jump on our website, or drop into a store and we're happy to go over it. Thank you.